Hi, Arena here. Welcome to my How to Navigate Camtasia video. Here we are now inside of Camtasia where all the action happens. So let's get navigating. We'll start with the menu bar here on the left. So here we have the record button for obviously starting to record your Camtasia project. And it's followed by the media menu. This is where you store media to use in your current project. Just drag and drop the selected media to this canvas or to the timeline below right here. Here we have the library where you store media and assets to use in any Camtasia project. Organize your assets into folders or even a new library. Here we have favorites. Save useful video enhancements in one location for quick access. In annotations, add text, arrows, shapes and highlights to enhance your video project. Other types are blur, spotlight and keystrokes, and then customize these annotations in the Properties panel here on the right. Transitions menu. Add transitions to the beginning, end or in between media for smooth flow or to indicate the passage of time. Behaviors. Liven up text and media with animation presets combined for unique effects. Drag and drop on the timeline or canvas to include in the final video. Customize in the Properties panel. Animations menu. Use animations to zoom in, zoom out or pan. Add motion effects to rotate, tilt, scale and more. Cursor effects. Enhance cursor in Camtasia recordings using highlight, spotlight, magnify or add click sounds and effects. Voice narration. Record your voice while the timeline is playing. Paste text or script to read aloud for easy narration. Audio effects. Enhance and improve the audio quality by evening out the volume levels, removing background noise, or to adjust clip speed. The visual effects menu. Add effects like removing a color such as with the green screen, dropping shadow, clipping speed, and then customize these items in the Properties panel to the right. Interactivity menu. Add interactive quiz or unscored survey to include quiz in the final video produced using screencast.com or a smart player preset. Last one in the menu, captions. Created ADA compliant captions. Also import SAMI or SRT files or export a caption file. Options include manual or automatic syncing of text or speech-to-text transcription. Over here above the Properties panel, you have the share button to upload your finished video to YouTube, for example, or other location. Use edit mode to move, resize and rotate media on the canvas. Use pan mode to drag canvas around for a better view. Media retains original position and size when panning is on. Canvas editing is disabled in pan mode. The building blocks or media of your Camtasia projects live here. Tracks are moved, divided, cut and edited within the timeline. Finally, the Properties panel is where media is edited, such as color, size, font, spacing, alignment, etc. My name is Rena Walker, the founder of Earning Online, and have been running a successful affiliate marketing website and blogging about earning online opportunities since November 2016. The niches that I am involved in include wealth creation, permaculture, action cameras, and social enterprise, all of which I have a great interest in. I'm also involved in helping, supporting and coaching online entrepreneurs of all levels to build and run their own successful web-based affiliate business. If you would like to get started with me, then please click the Get Started With Me link below in the description box. Thanks for joining me, and please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell to be notified of my newly posted videos.